Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Today we're in my 2012 Mustang GT, but it's not the average Mustang GT. This does have a Paxton supercharger on it as well. Well, if you've been here before, you might be like, well, why is he in this car again? Like, we know this car. We know what's done to this car. I want to start a little series of me reviewing your car. Right, the person, you right here that's watching this video, I want to review your car. About 2 years ago with the intention of boosting it and making it a fast straight line car. Well, actually I originally wanted to make it a handling car. This car has a Paxton 2200 supercharger on it with a 3.8 pulley. It has off-road X-pipe. It has Works 95-pound injectors, VMP booster pump, some BMR suspension out back, and it's on a Nitto tire, which isn't really that grippy, but it's just a street tire right now. I got Mickey's in the house. Based off those mods, if you know Mustangs, you kind of know what a Gen 1 on those type of mods is going to make. The thing I love about the Paxton is the sound it makes, the power you get up top. Just listen, I'm gonna roll the window down for you. Maybe you can hear the whistle. It's a little. If I didn't have this big blow-off valve, you would never know that it was boosted. I do have the max 12 race blow-off valve as well. Is kind of easier to get in trouble with, but you know, you got the Coyote platform that came out in 2011. You got the 5-liter V8 that came out with 412 horsepower, and then they kept upping it every year. 11 to 14s are pretty much all the same. They pretty much dyno the same, even though they're rated a little different. I know the internals on the 13s and 14s are slightly different than the 11s and 12s, but that's just with trial and error. Boost the Coyote, you get these huge horsepower numbers, 6, 7, 8, 900 horsepower on stock blocks, depending on what generation you got. It all depends on your mods, kind of pulley on. I'm on the biggest pulley right now available, so I'm not making crazy amounts of boost. Probably around 8, 9, maybe 10 pounds of boost. You don't have the nicest interior, but you gotta think back in 2011, 2012, 2013, this interior is pretty hot. That is my 2012 Mustang GT with a Paxton 2200 supercharger on it. Boosted right there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed the video and you want to have your car in it, make sure you comment below or hit me up on Instagram. Like I said, everyone's going to be different. We're going to do every single review different. This is just a test run for the first one we're going to do. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.